Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be doing an abstract art. So it will be more like with the diversity topic. So we would choose the canvas of 2020 centimeter, and it's up to you if you want to use bigger. So let's get started. The colors that we are using is white, scarlet or cherry red as it's written, sunflower or mid yellow, ultra blue, cobalt blue, violet, we need phthalo blue, burnt amber, that's the burnt amber that's a little bit darker, burnt amber a little bit lighter. So we need yellow ochre, of course black, and crimson, and the last thing that we need is the orange color. Why I'm using white is just because when I spread the other colors over the white, that's giving a very good effect. So the key here is we won't be removing or wiping out our brush knife a lot. Sometimes if it's too much messy, you can just wipe it out. And then, so now we will be merging the colors a little bit. So it's more like putting the brush in the circular motion to some of the areas that you think that needs to be blended. And again, art is all about being creative. It's up to you if you want to use the brush in this motion, or we will use another technique that's using the knife in circular motion. For example, I like this technique as well, just to give it more beautiful round and round motion. So don't worry about a little bit color mixing with each other, because that's gonna be creating another beautiful color inside. slow motion of your colors into the circle. Now you can see the colors in here is having a very beautiful effect, plus that's another beautiful way to treat the colors. Okay guys, so I've completed the other circles here, and I will be using either of this brush just to use the black color over the top of the circles, so it will be more like the random way, giving it this effect. Circles, and then we will get you back. Okay guys, that we have covered the whole circles with the black highlights, so now we're using the bigger brush, or you can use a little bit smaller. Might be I use this one because my canvas is very small, and the area that we would be doing is the background with this brush. So we will be doing light background, and it's gonna be more lighter and just the simple tones. Can add white into this one. Maybe a little bit of orange. Don't worry about if you are smudging the other colors from this circle, so it's more looking beautiful and mixing with the background. guys, so we're done with the background. We will let it a little bit dry, or if you want to use, you can use the dryer. Yeah, and then we will write diversity on the top. So yep, see you then. So guys, our painting is almost dry. Now we can write diversity over the top of the painting. So we will choose white color because white color is more prominent and we can see properly a little bit more clear. So we will use at this side of the painting, because I want to write from here up to here the diversity word. So you can choose this brush, or even you can use a little bit smaller brush. We can start from here. So guys, this is our final look.